G'day guys, Matt from Panda Garage here. Today we are getting stuck into a bit of work on the VECTRA. So the main reason the car is stalling and such is that they're saying that maybe it's a camshaft sensor on top of the engine. So what I did, I went to the wreckers before, I picked up one just to see if maybe that might be the trick. Otherwise I've grabbed a crank angle sensor as well, just in case. I spent like 25 bucks at the wreckers, so good deal there. And we're going to try and flip these over and see maybe if it might help. If it doesn't, then it's no real loss because we've got those parts to spare, and then also 25 bucks. You can't go wrong with that, trying to test out something. So join me today, Panda Garage. Let's get this VECTRA back on the road because we're down 2 cars already and we don't need any more drama. So let's get stuck into it. So what I want to do first is just give them a light spraying of degreaser just to get some of this like gunk off, because the car I got it off actually was in pretty like filthy nick. So I'm just doing it very, very lightly. I'm going to dry these completely before we do anything. I also need to work out how to remove that bottom clip because I just snapped it off the car because I got frustrated. Luckily it wasn't off our VECTRA, so I'll tidy these up and then we'll dismantle the parts out of the car. We're actually going to use the camshaft sensor first, test that out. If that doesn't work, then we'll use the crank angle, but hopefully that is our fix over there. So first process of elimination, I'm going to remove the cam angle sensor from the top of the motor. It's just here, it's just an 8mm bolt. Going to get that off first because I want to eliminate this early on if we can. Got these little clippy things, have to remove that at some point. Just slide in your little tab here, pop that out, as easy as that. That is removed. Now this is our replacement one. It looks a little bit fresher than the one we're taking out, but that's just got to tidy it up now. So make sure that's all clean first. I'm just going to slide that down into the motor. Put our bolt in. That's in. Hopefully you guys can see that properly. My apologies if I'm blocking part of the view. Okay. So we'll slide that back on as so. Just so you know wires aren't going anywhere. Awesome. Alright. That is installed, pretty straightforward, just 8mm screw. I'm going to start up the car now and see if it actually works. Okay, I might have accidentally left you guys behind, but I put like the new part in and cleaned it all up, started the car. It's running a little bit rough still, had a code on it, but I cleared it first and then I wanted to take it for a test drive. So took it for a drive. It hasn't stalled or made any scene. Seems to be running exactly the same as it was before. Seems to be running better, I don't know, but I'm going to keep testing it and see if I can get it to fail. So we've put in the new part. I didn't put in the lower crankshaft sensor, but I still feel the car isn't quite right yet. So it has been throwing some different codes. It hasn't thrown any codes like in the last good test run, so I'm not really sure what's going on with it, but
I think next time on Panda Garage, we're going to get stuck into a little bit more. If there's more faults showing up, we're going to attack that. At least we've got the spare parts here if we need them, of course, in the future. So thank you all so much for watching. Remember to check us out on Instagram and Facebook, the Panda Garage. Sorry, the Vectra is very loud in the background, but I'm trying to let it run and try to fault it. So until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This is Panda Garage. Hopefully we have a bit of a win next time. Until then, see you guys.